For Boilermaker, you start out with a version of the Trinity, which is a marriage of celery, onion, and bell pepper. Here, we're adding heat by using jalapeno pepper. The celery and the shallots, in this case, instead of a regular onion, are cooking out in the pan. So in go our jalapenos, our garlic, and a fresh bay leaf. Then we're gonna add lots of fresh thyme. Pull this off of the stove to add, this is a Boilermaker, so we're gonna start with bourbon. To add your bourbon to the pan, this may still flare up. Then we're gonna add its buddy. How do you make a Boilermaker? You drop a shot of this into a glass of this. So we're gonna add a nice Louisiana lager to this. And we're gonna let that start to cook down a little. Now I'm gonna leave this heat on fairly high because we're cooking off bourbon and beer and we want it to reduce. Then we're gonna add our shrimp stock. I love Louisiana good old cayenne pepper sauce. Frank's Red Hot is my fave for this dish. And a little Worcestershire. Now all of that's gonna finish cooking through as we slide our shrimp back in and let them finish cooking through. I top it with some green onion. Melt our butter into the sauce is our last little trick.